So to get this thing running, we just bypassed it with a 200 amp fuse to the pyro fuse. Pop that orange tag up, and then this connector pops right off. Very similar to an airbag connector, which is why this blows usually is when you have airbags go off. Took us a few days to get one from the dealer. This is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and install that now. So got it back in place, started the nuts. Battery is unhooked right now. We're still waiting on a few more parts, but wanted to go ahead and get this new pyro fuse installed. That way when the ABS module, an intercooler, and a few other little parts show up, we can go ahead and get those installed and hook up the Altel and see what codes we got left. All right, so in the crash damage, it did break the throttle body on the driver's side. We were able to source a used one on eBay. So we went ahead and got that fitted.
That's exciting. A little dinged up, but it looks a lot better.
All right, so we got the ABS module. I've done this on a lot of Hondas. Take the module off, send it out, get it fixed. On this instance, we're just gonna try to swap the module. So if you haven't seen one of these before, basically it's a bunch of magnets, which are valves, and the control module controls the valves on or off. The only thing you have to be careful with is these two electrical connectors. They need to slide in just perfectly into that hole. This one is going to be a bit of an issue. It looks bent and the module is in my way. All right, try to slide this back on ever so slightly and carefully. Hopefully it's on. Not gonna worry about plugging it in right now because I don't want that to hinder this going on straight. That feels pretty good. Perfect. Slid right on. Yeah, had a key on. That was sketchy. Alright, so in this video we're just going through the codes, trying to clear out the ones that we think we fixed now with the new throttle body, which are the throttle valve bank 2, which is the throttle body. The throttle position for the pedal, that had a circuit code. We do believe that was part of the throttle body as well. Sounded good. Are you excited, Dad?